Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in the previous video we discussed about that worksheet 2 which is related to concept 2. Okay ma? Now here in this video we are going to discuss about that worksheet 2a problems. Okay. Let us see here what is the first one. State which of the following are true. Okay. State which of the following are true. Okay. Here 4 cases they given. Which case is true and which case is false. Okay. Now here see that ma. 5 by 8 is equals to 25 by 40. Okay. First one. 5 by 8 is equals to 25 by 40. By observing this one, what we can say? Okay, by observing this one at starting, what we can, which idea we will get here first? Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Here, as per the question, what they are saying, ma? 5 by 8 value is equal to that 25 by 40. Okay, the value of 5 by 8 is equals to 25 by 40 they are saying. Is it true or not? Okay, by seeing this one here we can say that these two are equivalent fractions they are saying. Okay, just we have to check that these two are equivalent or not. How to find that equivalent fraction of that given fraction? By multiplying or dividing. Okay, both numerator and denominator should be multiplied by the same number or divided by the same number. Then what fraction we will get? That fraction should be considered as the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Okay. Now here 25 they already given over here. 5 into how much is equals to 25 ma? 5 into 5. Okay. Which means the numerator is multiplying by 5. Which means that denominator is also should be multiplied by 5, no? Is it satisfies or not? See here, 5 5 is 25, 8 5 is 40. So the same number we got it here, yes or no, 25 by 40. And here the condition, same rule is following or not? Both numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number. Multiplied by the same number, then we got here 5 5 is 25, 8 5 is 40. 25 by 40. Then we can say that these two are equivalent fractions. Then this is the true statement. Okay. Next, second one, say that 6 by 7, 12 by 27. This is also same. 6 by 7 is equal to 12 by 27. Okay. Just observe the relation in between 6 and 12. 6 into how much is equals to 12 ma? 6 into 2 is equals to 12. Okay, and here by which number we are multiplying with the numerator? By the same number we should multiply with the denominator also, no? Then here 6 into 2 is equal to 12, 7 2 is 14, but here we got it as 27. Actual answer is 12 by 14 means that is the equivalent fraction of 6 by 7. But we got here 12 by 27. That's why is it true or false ma? Yes, this is false. This is a false statement. Okay. Next one, say that here minus 2 by 7 is equal to 4 by 14. Once see that here negative value is there, here positive value is there. Negative value never equals to positive value. Okay. Negative value is always less than positive value. Okay. That's why here negative value, negative value always less than positive value, always less than positive value, but here they given as equal to, no, that's why this is the false statement. Clear. Next come to this one. Here negative value is there, here also negative value is there. Okay, both sides also we are having negative values, that's why here we can check that. Okay, and 1 and 2, first 1 and 2 cases also both sides of that is equal to sign, we are having that a positive rational numbers. Okay, that's why we can compare it. Okay, and in the same we can compare it means just we have a chance to check it. Okay, but here see that simply they given as a negative value and a positive value. Negative value and positive value never equals, we know that. Okay, that's why here there is no chance to check it. Okay, simply easily we can say that negative values are lesser than that smaller positive values. Understood ma? Yes. Now come to this one. Minus 8 by 7. Fourth one. Minus 8 by 7 which is equals to minus 72 by 56 they are saying here. 8 into how much is equals to 72 ma? 8 9 is 72. Okay, then here minus 8 into 9 by 7 into, here by which number we are multiplying with numerator? By the same number we should multiply with the denominator, no? Minus 8 into 9 by 7 into 9. 9 8s is 72 minus 72 by 7 9s is 63. But here they given that 56. Okay, actual answer is minus 72 by 63, but here they given as minus 72 by 56. That's why this is wrong. This is also false. Okay, now here state which of the following is true. Okay, are true they given, but here only one statement is true, that is the first statement. Okay ma? Yes. Second one, say that which of the following rational numbers are positive rational numbers? How to identify that positive rational numbers? The quotient of two positive values, the quotient of two positive integers are always positive, and in the same way the quotient of two negative integers are always positive. The quotient of one positive and one negative is always negative. By using those conditions, here find that here the numerator is a negative, the denominator is positive. Okay, that's why these are negative rational numbers. Which rational numbers ma? Negative. Okay, and here 5 by 8, 5 by 8, both that numerator and denominator are positives. That's why this is positive. And see that numerator and denominator minus 50 by minus 59, both the numerator and denominator are having that same sign, negative sign. That's why again we will get it as a positive only. Now what they are asking here, which of the following rational numbers are positive? Which rational numbers are positive? 5 by 8 and minus 50 by minus 59. That's why answer is both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3. Third one, the period of. Period means what I told you ma? In that recurring part, which number is in repetition? Which number is in repetition, that is called period. Okay. Now here say that what they given 0.10, 100, 100, 140 and so on. Just observe that. Is there any pattern follows here? No, see that 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 000, 1 40. Is the same number is in repetition ma? No, same number is not in repetition. That's why is it non-terminating decimal, recurring decimal or non-repeating decimal? This is non-terminating. This is non-terminating. Recurring or non-recurring decimal? Non-terminating, non-recurring or non-repeating decimal. Any word you can use here. Non-repeating decimal. Here the decimal is a non-repeating. If that is not repeating means how we can find that period ma? That is not possible no. That's why answer is does not exist. Okay, which means here for that irrational numbers period and periodicity does not exist. Okay, yes. Next here say that the periodicity means number of digits are in repetition. Okay, in that recurring part number of digits are in repetition. Here bar symbol is there from 281457. Okay, that bar symbol is there on that 281457. Okay, before that we are having 28, that is not having that bar symbol, which means a mixed recurring decimal this is. Okay, see here ma. Now what they asked here, what is the period? Period is 281457. Then here what is the periodicity? Periodicity, how many digits are in repetition here? 6 digits are in repetition. That's why periodicity is 4. Sorry, periodicity is 6, option 4. Okay ma? Yes. Fifth one, pi is called. Actually pi is having the value 3.147 and so on. Okay. Why? Because here say that pi value, exact value we don't know that. Pi values what we are using 22 by 7, 3.14, these all are that approximate values. Okay, one of the mathematician given that 3.14, another mathematician they given that 3.16 like that. Okay, which means here exact value we don't know that. Okay, just estimation values, approximate values only they given to us. Okay, those values only we are using now. Okay, that's why as per that one here 3.147 and so on like that we will get this number actually. Okay ma, that's why we will consider that pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. Why? Because 3.14 and so on. This is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals are considered as irrational numbers. Non-recurring decimal. These are known as irrational numbers. Sixth one, E also. E is equals to 2.1878 something we will get here. Approximate value ma. 2.78 or 18 something you will get. Okay, this is also irrational number only. Okay, yes. And finally the last question, 2023.2023 0, 2023 00, 2023 3 zeros and so on, like this there. Understood ma? Here 2023 and 0 is there, 2023. Okay, that number is in repetition, but in between those two numbers, number of zeros are in different order. Here 1 0 is there, here 2 zeros there, 3 zeros there, next 4 zeros will come, like that. Okay, that's why here what they are saying, is it irrational number or not? Yes, of course this is irrational number. Is it a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal? This is non-terminating decimal, yes, clear, and non-repeating also. Okay, here numbers are not in repetition, no, that's why here non-repeating decimal also. And here is it a real number? Yes, of course, in that real number we have that the combination of rational numbers and the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers, no, that's why this is a real number also. That's why here actually here ABC note ma 1 2 3. Okay, as per this one, which option is correct here? Option 4 is correct. Understood ma? Why? Because this is irrational number. This is a non-terminating decimal. First of all, this is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimals are comes under non-terminating, non-recurring decimal comes under that irrational number. Clear? Next, non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, irrational numbers, all the irrational numbers are real numbers. Understood ma? That's why here answer is 1 2 3. 3 options also correct only. Up to here, worksheet 2A completed. Okay ma? In that next video we will discuss about that concept 3. Okay, thank you all.